In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share PowerPoint in Zoom with just one screen. If you only have one monitor, the goal is simple. Your audience should see a clean, distraction-free slideshow, while you keep your notes and meeting controls private and easy to reach. We'll do that by putting your slides in a resizable window and telling Zoom to share only that window. Start in PowerPoint with your presentation open. Go to the Slideshow tab, then choose Setup Slideshow. In the dialog, select Browsed by an Individual, Window, and Confirm. This changes your slideshow from full screen to a normal window you can move and resize. Now start the show using From Beginning or From Current Slide. You'll see your slides appear in their own window instead of taking over your entire display. Resize that window to the size you want your audience to see, and keep it visible on your desktop. If you rely on notes, open your Notes pane in PowerPoint. Or, if your version supports it, press Alt plus F5 to open Presenter View in a separate window. Keep this Notes window away from the slide window so it won't be shared. Switch to your Zoom meeting and click Share Screen in the Selection panel. Pick the specific PowerPoint slideshow window, not your entire desktop. If you plan to play audio or video from the slides, check Share Sound. And if it's a video clip, also enable Optimize for Video Clip for smoother playback. Click Share. You'll see a green border around the slide window, confirming that Zoom is sharing only that area. Anything outside that border, including your notes or other apps, stays private. Present as usual using your arrow keys or on-screen controls. If you need to adjust, you can gently resize or reposition the slide window. Zoom will continue sharing that window. Keep an eye on Zoom's toolbar to manage chat or participants without interrupting what viewers see. If someone reports seeing your entire desktop, stop sharing and select the PowerPoint window specifically. A few quick tips help everything run smoothly. Turn on Do Not Disturb or Focus Assist to prevent notifications from popping up. Test a slide or two before the meeting to confirm audio and video play correctly. If your cursor is distracting, move it off the slide area when not in use. And remember, ESC exits the slideshow, and Stop Share in Zoom returns the view to the meeting. When you're done, press ESC to close the slide window, then click Stop Share. That's it. Clean, professional slide sharing on Zoom using just one screen.